Quality, safety, productivity, innovation, ethics, integrity, and sustainability. These are some of the values integrating Estaleiros do Brasil EBR and sustain its recognition in both local and international markets. With an area equivalent to 200 soccer fields and privileged location in the city of São José do Norte, Rio Grande do Sul state, within the naval and offshore cluster of Rio Grande, its facilities have been designed to ensure the simultaneous integration of 2 FPSOs and capacity for manufacturing and processing 60,000 tons of steel per year. Prepared to load in and out large and heavy equipment and cargoes, EBR has in its extension 2 quays with deep depth and heavy load capacity, storage area and production area with a pipe shop having automatic cutting and beveling machines, blasting workshop, and steel structures manufacturing workshop. These bold EBR facilities further include modern buildings, high-technology equipment, heavy-capacity overhead cranes, state-of-the-art cranes, and an extensive open construction area that provides EBR with outstanding performance in execution of highly complex offshore projects under EPCI, engineering, procurement, construction, integration, and commissioning. Quality, safety, health, and environmental conservation are non-negotiable values to EBR, which relies on an integrated management system established, maintained, and certified according to NBR ISO 9001, NBR ISO 14001, and OSAS 18001 standards. Based on these principles, the organization maintains a strict program that establishes and strengthens its QHSE culture in all its operations. Ethics, integrity, and transparency. These are values that permeate EBR's structure, which believes that compliance is essential to its organizational culture. Premised on a compliance program implemented since October 2015, and a culture disseminated to all its stakeholders, encouraging compliance and recognition of any violation of laws, EBR anticipates and mitigates potential risks while ensuring the integrity of its operation. EBR has an external ethics channel for reporting any act that violates what our policies and prevailing legislation establish. Not only employee but also clients, service providers, partners, and suppliers can use it directly and anonymously. Innovation and cutting-edge technology. Focused on the pursuit of continuous evolution and innovation of its processes, on the use of state-of-the-art technology, and on the excellence of its way of managing projects, EBR invested in the construction of its digital asset, which, in addition to guaranteeing excellence in planning and control throughout the project execution, allows its clients in the handover the possibility of consulting and integrating maintenance systems in their operations. This initiative inserts EBR on the right track for challenges of the future by offering its clients an innovative, transparent, and secure systemic vision. FPSO P-74. The discovery of the pre-salt in 2007 was considered one of the most important strategic actions of the oil sector, inserting Brazil in a significant strategic position in view of the great demand for energy worldwide. Designed to operate in the pre-salt fields with the capacity to produce 150,000 barrels of oil and 7 million cubic meters of gas per day, Petrobras' FPSO 74 platform will be the first FPSO intended for the Seção Onerosa fields of the pre-salt layer in the Santos Basin. With great pride in being part of this important milestone to the history of our country, EBR was contracted to execute the detail engineering, project management, procurement, construction, assembly, integration, and commissioning of topside and startup of platform P-74. The challenge of this historic endeavor began when the first structures of the P-74, the pancakes from Turkey, arrived in EBR. The construction and assembly of modules 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13 central pipe rack and riser pipe rack were integrally carried out at EBR, totaling more than 24,000 tons manufactured. Modules 1, 4, 8, 9, 14, 15, 17, and flare in their turn have come partially constructed from different parts of the world and require the teams of mariners, cargo handling, security, information technology, special operations, and other EBR teams involved to take actions and well-defined strategies to meet the specificities and particularities of each structure for its unloading. The historic challenge achieved in this operation was the load-in of Module 9, 2,977 tons, considered the heaviest module ever unloaded in Latin America. The operation of major significance and complexity at this stage was the arrival of the hull of the platform, which depended on climatic conditions suitable for the mooring maneuver to the EBR key. The arrival of the platform, with dimensions of 332 by 58 by 50 meters, started the lifting campaign of the modules, carried out almost entirely by the SK-350 crane. With an unprecedented lifting capacity of up to 3,500 tons, having been assembled and tested at EBR shipyard. Depending on specific climatic conditions, each lifting had an average duration of 8 hours, again demanding a great critical analysis, attention, and planning of EBR teams involved. Many were the challenges faced, including 4 maneuvers of the platform's hull, one of them a 180-degree spin, and the world's heaviest lifting by a land crane for placement of a module in an FPSO. The lifting campaign with 40 modules was successfully completed and with no accidents, totaling more than 31,000 tons lifted. Simultaneously with the lifting campaign, the integration and commissioning activities of the modules were performed, as well as the full load test, which qualified and certified the overall operation of the FPSO, putting it into operational mode. After all tests were concluded, including the inclining test, which evaluated the stability and oil storage capacity of the FPSO, the P-74 was ready to go to the Búzios field in the Santos Basin, and with a high level of completion. With a perfectly synchronized maneuver and in the agreed date, the P-74 FPSO left EBR's quay with its crew to fulfill its mission on high seas and contribute to the development of Brazil. For EBR, having delivered the P-74 FPSO 2 months ahead of the contractual deadline, is a source of great pride. Our history, written by many hands, is the result of the commitment of all professionals, a team of experienced and multidisciplinary experts, with performance focused on productivity, quality, safety, sustainability, and compliance. Estaleiros do Brasil, EBR. Together, we will make it better.